Hello my wonderful lazy dancers, welcome to Lazy Dancer Tips. I'm Alessia. Today, because I know you enjoyed it so much and you enjoy moving in a nice free way, I've got for you another contemporary ballet center class ready for you. Again, we're going to go back to the basic movements, but what I want you to do is to find the movement, where it comes from, how we can change it, how we can twist it into making it interesting. And remember that if you need more help with the basics of ballet, I've got ready for you the Beginner's Ballet Course. For anyone that asks, it's in the box below. There is a first link ready there for you to go and check it out. I'm going to link it up in the cards up here too. And every time we move, every time we dance, we want to have our foundations set and ready. Literally, they're called foundations of ballet because we start from there, we get that clear, and then we start moving, we start testing things, we start exploring what our body is capable of doing. So if you're ready for this contemporary ballet center class, again, having your bare feet on because I want you to get grounded just like a bear, and we are going to dance it and flow it and feel free. Who's gonna dance with me? Let me know in a comment below. Mwah! Let's dance. Breathe, leg out. Back in, other way, all the way down. And in, again, down, touch the floor. Soft in, and again, other way. Step right forward, forward. Down. Again, push. Push, 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 come back in, and let the sound go. Other leg, down, good, sway. Leg in front, go forward, forward, down, again. We're going down, out, forward, back in, other leg, forward, side, forward, ready to hop, we go, hop, 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 back in, we go, spring point. Brilliant. And jump up, jump. Spring pong, we go, spring, cheeky. Back in, down. Go, sway. Back in, other way. Sway. Again, down, and go, sway, and down, come on dance, jump, jump, soft, again, shh. Even the jump is different. Soft. Back in. Breathe. down, use the whole body. Pick one, the other, let it go. Breathe into first. We go 1, 2 second, point the foot. Go towards the foot. Breathe. 2 legs, other one. Point the foot. 4. Again, and go. 1. Point and back, then you fall. Come back, breathe. And again, other leg. Take your side, down. Brilliant. Go, lift, 2, hold. And again, 1, 2, lift. Good. 1, 2, lift. Good. From here we go. 1 and 1 and 1 and 1 and 1. From there we go. 1, 2, 3, down. 1, 2, 3, hold. 1, 2, 3, balance. Control, down. Breathe, we march around. Again, march. Tippy toes we go, march.